So, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a really exciting video for you all. I'm going to be doing a little bit of a different one. I'm going to be unboxing a designer handbag by Teddy Blake. So, okay, right, you might have heard this before if you've been watching me since like last May, because I have worked with them before and they kindly sent me a handbag over in May to review for you all, so go check that one out. And I literally still use that handbag all the time. I love it so much. Anyway, they got in contact with me again and I was really excited because I just was a bit buzzing really. And I thought, yeah, I'm gonna go for it. This item is gifted and I am being paid for this video, so sponsored, but doesn't mean I'll change my opinions in any way. I just want to put out there quick. Also, Teddy Blake are a New York fashion. They're a New York. It's in New York basically. I don't know, it's called Teddy Blake New York because it's in New York, it's founded in New York. Is that what you said? I don't know. And it is Italian made. But also, before you start, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, give it a big thumbs up, comment, all that stuff. Yeah, a big thank you to Teddy Blake because their customer service team is so lovely. Honestly, love them. Okay, so this is the big box I've been sent. Can you believe it? So I think I'm gonna open it. Well, obviously I'm gonna open it. We're just gonna straight away open it. The tape and the packaging is amazing. Oh, the strings in it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm actually buzzing. Ow. Okay. Oh, got it. Oh my god! Okay, I'm just going to take it straight out and I'm going to tell you about it. This is very good packaging. Oh, I can smell the leather. It comes firstly, I'm going to put this down. Firstly, in a lovely dust bag. Oh my god, the dust bag feels real nice. Oh, I'm buzzing. So nice. Oh, and you can smell the leather. This is real leather, so obviously if you are if you don't support that, then you don't buy it. I don't know how to really put that any simpler. I'm just gonna get it out of the bag for you all. Oh, look. Oh, this is so nice. Wow. Oh my god. I'm genuinely in love. Oh. Look at it. It's got like the black around it and the red. It's got red inside. Let's take all the packaging out. Oh my god, and it's got a little purse inside with the Teddy Blake on. Oh, I mean, honestly, this is incredible. Look at it. It's beautiful, mate. It's beautiful. It's got little Teddy Blake in gold. Oh, I'm in love. And it smells really nice. Okay, so I'm going to tell you a bit about the bag. This bag is called the Alice Vitello Media, black and red. If you can hear my radio, it makes really weird noises, so ignore that. I don't know why it does it. Help me. So yeah, it'll be linked down below obviously, and it actually was originally $450, which is still quite good for a designer bag, but it's in the sale now for $299. What is that in pounds? That's got to be about £200. I don't know, that's a guess. I'll put it on the screen though. And it is obviously a tote bag because it just is a tote bag. And it is crafted in Italy by really experienced Italian designers. No, not designers, craft makers. It has leather exterior. Wow, that is annoying, that radiator. Oh, I don't know why it does it. Leather exterior, and in the inside it is suede. Oh wow, that is nice. Look at that. You open it up and you get a nice little surprise. Wow. I love it. It's so good quality. I'm a little bit baffled. And then obviously it has the gold toned detailing at the bottom of the bag, which really adds a lot to it. It is a large size bag with a 8.5 inch height times 4.25 inch width. Oh god, I'm so thick. Times a 16.5 inch length. So it is quite big. I wouldn't say it's really, really big. I'd say it's medium. I don't know, I'd say it's a medium sized bag in my opinion. And it's got a 10-inch handle drop, so there. And obviously it comes with a detachable, is it detachable? Oh, I don't think it is. Is it? Yes, it is. Oh my god, that's brilliant. It's a little pouch. This feels such good quality. You can tell like it's luxury. Has the gold detailing again, and you can unzip it. And then what we got in here? Oh, it says Teddy Blake made in Italy. A little, really like, it looks very posh. Little label there. And it's, I love it, wow. And then you can detach it. This is so cool. Wait, I think this is how you do it. If not, I've broken it, oh no. You can detach it by taking that thing off. Then you can just carry around, little purse. Got a little wrist thing on it. I love it. This is amazing. Honestly, wow. So excited. Yeah, it's just really cool, isn't it? You've got everything you need, really. And then it comes with a little label so you know it's defo by them and not like a dodgy thing. Teddy Blake, New York. And it just tells you some instructions, I think, in Italian. I'm not too sure. But yeah, here it is. I'm going to style it now. Oh, that sounds so weird. I don't even know if the camera's on me. Here is the handbag on. Obviously it's really cute. You know how short my jumper is, by the way. It's fine. We're just dealing with it. I'm not wearing it out, so it's fine. I think it looks really cute on me. Not on. Really, really cute. It goes over the shoulder really nicely and it's not tight around the shoulder. Here, you can easily just get it off. Look in there. Put it back on. Do it on the other shoulder. Don't know which one looks better. Or you can obviously wear it like this. I wouldn't personally, or just completely hold it down. I would personally have it over my shoulder just for safety, someone can get in. That is the only thing about this bag, is that it's really, really like open. So I suppose if you're walking, anyone, literally, if you're like in London, you've got, everyone's like loud there, so you won't even hear someone's hand going in. Someone's hand can literally just go in to the back and take something out. That's the only thing that worries me, because there's no like safety or protection on it. That's really weird. But yeah, I love it. So yeah, that is the handbag. Overall, I rate the shipping was so quick, even though it's coming from New York, so that's overseas, I think. Yeah. Oh, so thick, honestly. Oh, honestly, I think it's amazing. Yeah, the order date. Oh. With the order dates, the day like they ordered it for me was the 7th of March. And they shipped it out on the 8th of March, and it got to me on about, so what is it now? It got to me on about the 15th of March. That is quick for something coming from America. So yeah, I think that's great. The packaging's amazing. It comes with like this luxury dust bag. Honestly, it feels amazing. I prefer this over the bag. Not literally, but you know what I mean. Packaging was so safe. If I say packaging one more time, I'm gonna, ugh. But yeah, please go try and check them out. Obviously, I know they're quite pricey, but they're not pricey. They're good for what it is. Like, it's literally leather, suede, all of that. So good quality. And if you are looking for a luxury bag that isn't too expensive, go for Teddy Blake, because honestly, they're amazing. It's my second bag I've had from them now. The other one I use all the time. I love it so much. So yeah, and if you can't, just go check out their social medias, like their Instagram, so you can support them and have a look. They do so many different bags on there. They're gorgeous, honestly. I love them. Okay. Yeah, I just want to say thank you so much to Teddy Blake for sending me that. I can't wait to use it. And thank you for working with me again, because it means a lot. It's so lovely. I think one of my best teams I've worked with, because both the times you were lovely. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below and comment what your ops are on the bag. But yeah, make sure you do check them out. I love it all so much. Have a great day. Bye.